My name is Aaron Cheek. I'm General Manager of Automak Assembly. We are a specialty company that handles IMP panels for installation. We rent and sell vacuum lifters, as well as a few other small tool solutions for installation of insulated metal panels. We work closely with most major panel manufacturers to provide those solutions to the installers to make sure that the product's integrity is maintained and the building is put together correctly. We've been coming to METALCON for years now. We love the show. It's right up our alley. We have a lot of new people coming into the industry. The insulated panel world's growing and gaining in popularity. And every time we're here, we get a new installer who has set panels and isn't aware of the vacuum lifter that's out there, that's customized for their exact panel and their exact job. And we would recommend to go to the show to anyone, especially if you're a new installer or new into the metal world. There's a lot of things out there that you get a good introduction to when you come to these shows.